rays of sunshine. How are you today? Today I'm going to read another Clifford book, Clifford's Hiccups. And this is by Jonathan London. And it's probably the same illustrator. Let me look. No, it's really not. And it's not by Jonathan London. It's adapted by Suzanne Wen and illustrated by Karen Bracken and Sandrina Krutz. So this is different. I don't know why it's not by Jonathan, but let's read it. So get comfy cozy. I will too, and we will read Clifford's Hiccups. Look at the back of the book. He's got the hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? Yeah, they're not fun. Do people try to get them to go away? That's what's going to happen in this story too. So here we go. Hick, hick, hiccup. Emily sat up in bed. What's that sound? She wondered. Hick, hick, hiccup. Look at her in bed. I think it woke her up. Hick, hick, hiccup. Hick, hick, hiccup. Up popped the teddy bear. Up popped the doll. And up popped Emily Elizabeth. Clifford had the hiccups. Oh my goodness, they must be so loud that she's popping up in the air. Look at that. Everything. The doll, the teddy bear, and even Emily Elizabeth. His hiccups are so loud, maybe like an earthquake. Emily Elizabeth went down to breakfast. Hick, hick, hiccup. Up popped the plates and cups. Up popped the orange juice right onto Mr. Howard's head. Maybe the vet can help, Clifford, said Mrs. Howard. What a mess. Even the coffee, you see that? Oh, what a mess at that house today. Dr. Den checked Clifford's breathing. Hick, hick, hiccup. Look at how he has to check. What did he have to get out to get up there to check Clifford's breathing? Yeah, a ladder. Oh my goodness. Clifford just has a case of hiccups, Dr. Den said. Sooner or later, they will go away. Outside the doctor's office, Clifford saw his friends T-Bone and Mac. Hick, hick, hiccup. Uh-oh, do I have the hiccups? I know how to make your hiccups go away, Clifford, T-Bone said to Mac. I'll ask him to... I'm having trouble with this page. Let me start over. I know how to make Clifford's hiccups go away, T-Bone said to Mac. I'll give him a little scare. And what is next? Boo! He doesn't look like it scared Clifford. His face kind of looks happy, doesn't it? Doesn't really look like he's scared. But Clifford's hiccups didn't go away. I know how to make your hiccups go away, Mac said to Clifford. Follow me. Mac led Clifford to a kiddie pool. Shut your eyes, hold your ears, then turn upside down and drink, said Mac. He wants him to drink out of the pool? Let's see what happens. So Clifford shut his eyes, held his ears, turned upside down, and drank. When... Boom! T-Bone jumped out of the pool. Look at that. Boom! And Clifford's hiccups stopped. I did it, said T-Bone. I did it, said Mac. Look at Clifford. T-Bone and Mac were very disappointed. We really wanted to help, said T-Bone. You did help, said Clifford. You didn't make my hiccups go away, but I feel good because you tried so hard. It's nice to have a friend like that, isn't it? That tries to help you. Just then, Emily Elizabeth came by. "How are your hiccups?" she asked. Everyone listened. Then they listened some more. Are you listening? Do you hear anything? Clifford's hiccups were finally gone. Look at everybody so happy. They're jumping up and down. It was a nice book, wasn't it? Clifford's Hiccups. I like that book. I had a little trouble with that, with the hiccups. Yeah. So, I hope you have a good day today. And I hope you shine today and every day. And I know you will. See you next time.